Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. Well, we're going to be talking about skills today and sharing skills. This is my grandson, Joshua.
Hello.
And he's going to learn how to change the oil in the new yard tractor. You ever done that before?
No.
You never changed the oil?
No, but I learned how to check it.
Tell him. Tell him you want to change the oil today.
I'm going to change the oil.
Okay. All right, what are you getting ready to do?
Change the oil.
Tell them. See, nice and loud so they can hear.
I'm going to change the oil.
All right. Here you go. Stick this under there. See that nut right there? Yep, pull it back. Get down on your knees. All right, get right on your knees, so because you're gonna have to be able to see this nut.
I can see the nut.
Yep, you're gonna turn that nut. When it comes out, there's gonna be oil behind it, so drop it right into the pan. Now hold on to the nut and take your hand out of the way. Keep turning. Keep turning. No, hang on to it. You're stuck.
Stuck.
There you go. Here's your grease rag. There you go. Wrong way. There you go. Hang on to it. Changing the oil. Yeah. Get your hand up there so they can see it. Over here, don't get it on the camera. Yeah, go ahead. Go show them your greasy hand. How close should you get? Go do it again, but do it about 6 feet away. Right there. What'd you do? Say hello, Mama.
I'm a greasy monkey.
Now you're a greasy monkey.
You got rag now.
Well, you know where it is. I'm not your maid. You can pick it up. What'd you do with the nut?
I need this going.
Oh, nice. Go ahead. Use the rag. Pick it up.
I did.
No, you didn't. It's still on your hand.
I know, but don't we have water or something?
No, you use a greasy rag. Pick that up and wipe off your hand. You can't wash off oil with water. Get away from there. I don't want that full of crap.
You wash them.
You can do this. Put your hand in there. You don't wipe it like you're a fairy. See? All the oil's out of the tractor.
I can see why you did that.
Now we gotta find what you did with that.
Alright, injection one, don't get my shirt all wet or dirty. So far we're good.
Look what you dropped in the oil.
My shirt's not dirty. So we can keep it that way.
Don't talk like you're a girl. Talk like you're a grease monkey learning how to change the oil in a tractor. Yeah. Now this is you take the oil. Come over on this side of me. Oh yeah, we can put the plug in. We gotta put the plug back in. Want to turn it in?
Yeah, sure.
There you go. Get down there. Hmm? You turn it in by hand first. Good. Now take the wrench, put on it. Here, you wipe your hand off. Good. Now take the wrench, put that on there. And tighten it up. Put your wrench over. Put your wrench over. There you go. And it goes towards the front of the tractor. Yep. Good. Very good. Now these, you want to have them tight. Let me have it. You want to have them tight, but not too tight. Now we've done our oil change. Okay, I'm going to put in the big one.
I want to do it. I tried it. It's not that heavy.
Yeah, but I don't want you spilling any. Doesn't have to be heavy. You can come over here and hold the funnel. Yeah? Can you hold the funnel?
Yeah.
Can't move it. Can't drop it. Get over on that side. No, yeah, get on the other. No, get over on this side of me. Keep the funnel straight. You don't need to see it. Put the funnel up. Straight, straight, straight. What are you doing? You done? You done moving? Okay, I'll let you finish up with this one. You probably can't reach it, can you?
Well, I can
Once,
reach it.
once you go around the other side of the tractor. Okay, in it, not at it. Keep it this way so you can get down low. Easy, just a little at a time. Yeah, he's getting it. There you go. Don't want to lose any. This tractor takes 4.5 quarts.
Can I get the other one?
I'm going to help you with this one because we only need half. Let me have it. You're not going to pour it all in. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? We're going to stop right about where that red line is. Okay, don't drop it. Put it back. There we go. little more. Let me look. That looks like 4.5. There. You did your first oil change.
I'm not dirty.
You're not dirty? Well, that's not very good. See, it won't work. You're already doing it too hard. Beep beep.
Can't do it.
I know you can't. It's magic. You ready? Alright, step back for a minute. He's all concerned about getting his hands clean. You take just a little bit. Just take just a little bit. See? Yeah. A little bit more. Ain't that the funniest looking soap you've ever seen? Okay. Then you put this in your hands and you go like this. Just like if it was regular soap. And do this all over.
Doesn't feel good.
No, it's grit. It's to clean your hands really good. Clean.
Feels like rocks. It's sand. It's rubbing sand.
Yep, it does.
Ugh. Feels like I'm rubbing sand.
And then you do this. I gotta teach him all the stuff his mother hasn't taught him. How to get dirty.
That was a good shirt. Now it's ruined.
Good shirt, now it's
I
ruined,
guess
he
not.
says.
Nope, it's not ruined now. Thought it was ruined.
Thought it was ruined.
Bumpston.
Well, there. So now, you know, when you bring home a piece of equipment, you want to change the oil. And the other thing we want to check, I know it's got antifreeze in it and all that, but now what I'm going to do is test it. We got winter coming. Now I will change out the water and antifreeze before winter, but for right now, you know, deer season's coming, so I might not get right on it. But right now I'm going to test the antifreeze for how cold it can get. So that's next on my chore list. See here? Come here, one more thing for you to learn. You don't do it from up there. No, you're going to come down here and do it.
Oh.
I'm not going to do it for you. You won't learn anything. He thinks he's going to sit in a chair and watch. Now you can get your step ladder.
Finally.
Now you can bring your step ladder over. Now you can stand on the tire. There you go. Sometimes you got to get right under the hood. You know what a turkey baster is?
No.
Well, what you got to do is you got to squeeze this ball. Just a minute. You're going to squeeze that ball
Then I'll suck it.
while you have it down in that water. You just got to stay in the water and straight up.
Straight up in the water.
You squeeze it. You got to squeeze it all out. This tractor came from Florida, so I'm not imagining that it has too much antifreeze in it. You see, keep squeezing it out. You take that, you squeeze that ball, and you let it fill up.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Yeah. So, it looks like it's good for, it is good for 10 degrees. So that's not nearly enough. Alright, I dropped the cover over there on the ground. Can you go get it?
I can't get down.
You can too. There you go, get on your ladder and back yourself up. There you go. It's over there on the ground, I dropped it.
Really?
Can you go get it?
I don't care.
Mm-mm. You can even go clean it off with the garden hose if you want. See it? Hang on to it tight so you don't lose it. When you gotta hold on to it, you just blow it on the ground. Well, that's it. That takes care of the oil change with the grandson. I'll see you guys next week. It's coffee time now.